Hi, I hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'm going to share a very useful trick which is related to Google Photos, and it is for scheduled backup. As you already know, Google Photos does not allow any scheduled backup facility for its customers. So, and I hope that feature will be included in the future updates of the Google Photos. But for now, I tried to update Google Photos and search for the scheduled backup feature, but I didn't find it. So I decided to do some tweak in that so that I get that facility. Scheduled backup is very useful when you want to upload photos at a time when no one is using the internet and you don't want to compromise the internet speed. So for me, the best time was 4 a.m. till 8 a.m. And at this time, no one uses the internet. Yours might be different. And for this purpose, I used a third-party application that is called Macro Droid, and it's a very vast application for automation activities, like if you want to do any activity at a battery level of 50%. So when your battery level reaches 50%, so it will do certain activity that you commanded. So that application is very useful for different automation activities. But for now, we are limiting ourselves to the scheduled backup. So let's get into this. And before we get into this, I just want to share the logic behind this activity, that how it will be done. So in Google Photos, you have to select the folder that you want to upload or you want to back up the data for. So whatever in that folder, I'm talking about the photos and the videos. So whatever the file is in that folder, so it will start uploading that file to the cloud. But if you put some other files in that folder as well, so it will start uploading the files right away. So what will we do? We will just move the files from an backed up folder to that backed up folder at a scheduled time. So that is the logic behind this activity. So how is it done? Let's get into this. So in Google Photos, you have to select the folder first to back up the data. So you will click on this menu icon and select the device folders, and it will show you all the folders with photos, or even if there is a video, so it will be listed down here. So what will you do? You will select that folder and click on backup and sync button. If I click on this, so it will not be able to sync the data, but it is already on, so it means that whatever in this folder is will be backed up by Google Photos. So we will move the data from other folder to the camera folder that is already backed up. So uh, let's try to move some data. For example, I have this folder Master, and in exports folder I have some videos which I want to back up at a certain time. So I will move these files in SD card and in a DCIM folder, and here I have already created a backup folder, new folder with the name backup folder. So let's do some automation now. For this you have to use, as I already mentioned, a third-party application that is called MacroDroid. You can download it from Google Play Store, and on the top here is the button to on and off. So I'm enabling it and click on add macros, and in add macros uh, there are three tabs on top. One is triggers, and second one is actions, and the third one is constraints, and that is for advanced users. So click on triggers tab, and now click on date and time. Select the second option, that is day/time trigger. Now today is Friday, so click on F, and it's 6:22 p.m. So the clock is set for 24 hours format, so we have to select the time accordingly. So I think 6:24 will be enough, so I'm selecting 6:24, click OK, and click on Actions tab, click on Files, select the option that is File Operation V2, and now it's up to if you want to move the data completely or copy the data. I'm selecting the move option, click OK, select I'm selecting the internal storage because my files are in internal storage, and KeyMaster folder, exports folder, and click on select. Let's set it to all files, click on OK. Now select the destination folder that is in SD card, DCIM, and backup. Click on select and hit the tick icon. Give it a name ABCD and OK. And now let's jump into that folder, that destination folder. Click on SD card, DCIM, and backup folder. Yes, the files are getting moved in this folder. As soon as these files have been moved to this folder, they will automatically start backing up on Google Photos. I'm clicking on Google Photos, and here it is. Here you can see that the files are getting backed up on Google Photos. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you like the video, and if you really do, so click on subscribe and share it with your friends, and if you really found it useful, so comment down below, that would be appreciated. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.